The complete installation guide for Logistick's Loadbar XL, the one-way load bar solution for securing light to medium weight loads. After loading the cargo, determine the best location for installation. Keep in mind that multiple sets of Loadbar XL may be needed to safely secure your cargo. Choose an area that will place each Loadbar XL at the same height and position, assuring the 2x4 will be installed parallel to the floor in a level manner. The 2x4 needs to be against the freight, which will prevent the cargo from starting to shift. The entire wall application area must be clean and dry to ensure proper installation. Use a dry cloth, and if needed, a scraper and rubbing alcohol to remove loose debris, condensation, or frost from the application area. To ensure proper fit and pressure, the 2x4 must be 3 inches less than the inside width of the trailer. Remove the tape backing from one Loadbar XL. In a level manner, place the Loadbar XL onto the determined prepped application area of one wall, making sure that the handle is pointed away from the freight and the pocket of the Loadbar XL is positioned so the 2x4 will be in contact with the freight. Next, insert the 2x4 into the pocket of the installed Loadbar XL and attach the second Loadbar XL to the opposite end of the 2x4 with the tape backing still in place. Pull the second Loadbar XL toward you and slide into the other chosen prepped application area on the opposite wall of the trailer until the 2x4 is level and snug against the cargo. Please note that an ample amount of force is needed to slide the second Loadbar XL into place because of the outward pressure of the system. If the pressure is too great, remove half of one foam insert and try to reinstall. If the pressure is still too much, remove half of the foam insert from the opposite side and reinstall. Never remove all the foam from the Loadbar XL. Once the second Loadbar XL is in position, locate the exposed adhesive tab near the handle. Fold the adhesive tab against the Loadbar XL and peel back the corner of the tape backing for easy grasp. While carefully maintaining the position of the 2x4 and second Loadbar XL, use one hand to pull the handle of the Loadbar XL slightly toward you and away from the trailer wall. With the other hand, grab the corner of the tape backing. Pull down and to the rear of the Loadbar XL, exposing several inches of the adhesive. Next, slowly release the handle and gently secure the exposed portion of the adhesive to the trailer wall. Once secure, hold the Loadbar XL in place with one hand and pull the remaining portion of the backing downward and to the rear of the Loadbar XL. Make sure all the tape backing is removed so the entire adhesive surface is uncovered and exposed to the wall. When the entire tape backing has been removed from the second Loadbar XL, press it firmly and squarely against the wall. Repeat this action with the other Loadbar XL, making sure firm and steady pressure is applied. Continue this process until you feel certain the entire surface of each Loadbar XL has fully adhered to the wall. The complete removal guide for Logistick's Loadbar XL, the one-way load bar solution for securing light to medium weight loads. For safe and easy removal, Logistick recommends using our load bar removal tool. This tool is engineered for the complete removal of the Loadbar XL system. With the 2x4 installed, place the forks of the load bar removal tool around the pocket of the Loadbar XL, positioning the forks as close to the wall as possible. Pull the handle away from the wall to collapse the pocket of the Loadbar XL and roll the pocket off the wall. Take caution as the board frees itself from the pocket. Remove the board and repeat for the other side. Logistick Loadbar XL Alternative Removal Method. One side of each Loadbar XL pocket has labeled scoring channels. Since each Loadbar XL is designed for either right or left side use, scoring channels will be accessible on at least one Loadbar XL. Score the channels on one Loadbar XL thoroughly with a safety knife. Next, pry open and bend back the Loadbar XL pocket using a pry bar so the 2x4 is exposed. Lift and remove the 2x4 from the pocket by prying and pulling up. Remove each Loadbar XL by wedging a pry bar down between the Loadbar XL and the wall of the trailer. Use slow and steady outward pressure to pry and pull the Loadbar XL off the wall. Use a cloth and, if needed, a scraper and a citrus-based adhesive remover to clean any remaining tape residue from the trailer walls.